Draw Settings panel in AxoTools lets you control the appearance of art created by extruding, projecting, or drawing with the axonometric tools. For closed paths, you have a choice of 4 fill methods. None removes any fill. White changes the fill to a white color. Object color preserves the original object's fill color. Shaded object color replaces an RGB or CMYK fill color to a tint or shade based on the spatial orientation of the art. You can extrude hidden faces, but you probably won't need this very often. When path segments blend smoothly into each other, the extruded edge panels are automatically combined. You have the option to keep them separate if you'd like. Stroke widths can be automatically assigned when extruding or projecting according to whether the line represents a heavy outside edge or a thin joint between the surfaces. AxoTools Line and Arc tools use the document default stroke unless this option is checked. In some cases, it's helpful to apply varied stroke widths, where thin lines become wider at the ends, where they blend into thick lines. You can automatically concatenate lines and curves you draw when the last option is checked. The projection panel contains a button to select whether you want to apply fills and strokes when projecting. Please see the online documentation for more detailed information. Thank you for watching.